Section 1. The ache that halts. Understanding why movement fails. Pain can stop you in your tracks. It makes you want to move. But fear, stiffness holds you back. This guide is about starting again, one small step at a time. It will introduce you to kinesiology, the science of human movement. We will explore a simple 10-minute approach to help you reclaim the freedom to move without pain. The journey from injury to action begins with clarity. It starts by understanding the core problem. It is not just about the pain itself. It's about faulty movement patterns that often cause it. We look closely at how you move and why it hurts. Kinesiology maps muscles, bones, and joints so we can fix the system. Section 2. The Kinesiologist's Eye. A step-by-step assessment. A thorough assessment is the foundation of successful rehab. We begin with a simple conversation about your pain. What makes it worse? And what provides relief? Your daily activities, work, and recreation give vital context. Every detail matters, from the chair you sit in to how you lift groceries. Next, we observe you stand, sit, and walk. Simple movements reveal your strategy, not just your pain. Do you hold your breath? Do your shoulders hike? Does your pelvis drop? These signs reveal overworked muscles and those not pulling their weight. We test joint range of motion and individual muscle strength. We compare sides and track objective progress over time. Section 3. The power of targeted exercise. Not a generic list, a precise prescription for your faults. First, activate dormant stabilizers that protect joints. Low intensity, high precision. You feel the right muscle switch on. Example, a side-lying glute squeeze to support the low back. Quality beats quantity every time. We add bands, light weights, and body weight positions. Progressive overload. Challenge without triggering compensation. Exercises evolve to mirror real life. 10 minutes daily beats sporadic marathons. We train muscles to work together as a system. Each step builds strength, endurance, and control for the next phase. Rebuild the foundation methodically from the ground up. Section 4. Strengthening is half the battle. Integration is the goal. Your brain links movement with pain. We overwrite that program. Conscious practice and repetition build new patterns. We break complex tasks into parts. Hips hinge, spine stays neutral. Then we add clean knee tracking without collapse. Cues, mirrors, and touch help you feel correct motion. We link the parts, practicing slowly and deliberately. Each correct rep reinforces new neural pathways. Graded exposure. Start simple, then add speed and load. From unloaded practice to functional tasks that matter. We tune how you sit, drive, and work to make good form automatic. When correct movement is a habit, tissues heal and pain fades. Mobility. Pain is a signal. In chronic states, the alarm can be oversensitive. We use graded exposure to recalibrate. Start with a small, low-pain version. No breath holding or tension. We show the body the movement is safe. The alarm turns down. Increase range, reps, or holds by small, tolerable steps. Never push through sharp, shooting, or escalating pain. Use simple tools. Heat or ice as advised. Practice deep diaphragmatic breathing to reduce sensitivity. Gentle massage helps calm the system. These strategies reduce fear and support active recovery. Effective rehab doesn't require expensive gear. Simple and inexpensive works, especially at home. Resistance bands, versatile for hips, shoulders, and core. Foam rollers release tight tissues and ease soreness. Small balls target hard-to-reach spots for quick relief. A foam pad or pillow challenges balance safely. Mirrors provide instant feedback to reinforce correct form. Use your phone to review form and track progress. Apps can guide breathing, time holds, and log improvements. Keep it simple. Tools support quality movement, not complicate it. A 45-year-old office worker with persistent right shoulder pain, worse with overhead reach, and long hours at a computer. Assessment shows poor scapular upward rotation, upper trapezius overworks, hiking the shoulder, and pinching tissue. Step 1. Pain control and activation. Soothe the upper traps. Add gentle mobility. Then wake lower traps with clean depression and retraction. Activate serratus anterior to guide the blade upward. Together, they restore healthy scapular rotation. Step 2. Strengthen with prone YT and wall slides. Shoulders stay down. Add banded rotation for control. Optimize the workstation to reduce strain. Step 3. Retrain overhead reach with mirror feedback. Start light and progress gradually. In 6 weeks, pain drops. Reaching and computer work improve. The goal is self-management and sustained progress. Consistency beats intensity. Make it a daily habit. Prioritize safety at home. Fatigue and gentle stretch are fine. Sharp or shooting pain, stop. If pain persists, regress the exercise or consult your kinesiologist. Never trade quality for quantity. Rehab is a team effort. You are the key member. Track and share what's working and what isn't. Engage your doctor, family, and employer as support. Expect ups and downs. Progress isn't linear. Celebrate small victories. They build confidence. Be patient. Be consistent. Ask for help when needed. Movement is life, and you are on the path to reclaiming it.